Brussels sprouts, with their petite, cabbage-like appearance, often evoke mixed reactions. Some adore their unique flavor, while others are less enthusiastic. However, this humble vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrition that deserves a place in your diet. Let's delve into the myriad medical benefits of Brussels sprouts, as highlighted by experts. Nutritional profile: Brussels sprouts are a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which includes broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. They are incredibly low in calories yet rich in essential nutrients. A single serving of Brussels sprouts provides an excellent source of vitamins C and K, folate, and dietary fiber. Vitamin C is crucial for immune function and skin health, while vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. The high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Antioxidant properties: Brussels sprouts are loaded with antioxidants, compounds that help combat oxidative stress in the body. This oxidative stress is linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. According to nutrition experts, the glucosinolates present in Brussels sprouts can help reduce inflammation and may have cancer-fighting properties. When consumed, these compounds can be converted into bioactive forms that may help protect against certain types of cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Heart health: heart disease is a leading health concern worldwide, but incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet can be a heart-healthy choice. The fiber found in Brussels sprouts helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds contribute to cardiovascular health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts could lower the risk of heart disease significantly. Digestive health: Brussels sprouts are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting gut health. Furthermore, the fiber in Brussels sprouts acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can lead to improved digestion and overall gut health, which is increasingly recognized as crucial for overall well-being. Weight management: for those looking to manage their weight, Brussels sprouts can be a fantastic addition to your meals. They are low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Incorporating Brussels sprouts into your meals can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Experts recommend roasting or steaming them for a flavorful and nutritious side dish that complements various meals. Bone health: as we age, maintaining bone health becomes increasingly important. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and helping to prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin K is known to improve calcium absorption and bone mineralization, thus playing a critical role in maintaining strong bones. Including Brussels sprouts in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your skeletal health. Conclusion: while Brussels sprouts may not be everyone's favorite vegetable, their impressive health benefits cannot be ignored. From supporting heart health to promoting digestive wellness, these tiny green gems pack a nutritional punch. Whether you enjoy them roasted, steamed, or sautéed, incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet can enhance your overall health. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass them by. Embrace the benefits of Brussels sprouts and elevate your meals with this nutritious powerhouse.